Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn numerical patterns and graphing together, step by step. Sometimes we make two patterns at once. Pattern A starts at 0 and adds 2 each time. 0, 2, 4, 6. Pattern B starts at 0 and adds 4 each time. Let's compare them. Match each term of pattern A with the same term of pattern B to form ordered pairs. We get 0, 0, 2, 4, 4, 8, and 6, 12. The A value comes first. Look at the pairs. Each B value is exactly twice its A value. 4 is 2 times 2, 8 is 2 times 4. So pattern B is always double pattern A. Now plot the ordered pairs on a graph, with A across and B up. When we connect them, the points form a straight line. A straight line shows a steady, repeating relationship. So to compare two patterns, pair their matching terms, plot the ordered pairs, and look for the relationship. A straight line graph tells us the two patterns grow together by a steady rule. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.